So the charging system is off, so there'll be no current. And then when I activate it, it will measure the alternator, and then it will start charging. So let's see. There it goes. There's your 50 amps. So 50 amp charging is done where it's shared between this battery and the battery at the back. So if we've done charging, you will see now it's high. If I switch off the charge, it goes low. If I switch on the charge, it waits. And then if there's a sense that the alternator can charge, auxiliary power, there it goes up. So that is how the system works, and you get your 50 amp charge. So that is very good charging. And that's from an old Hilux. The system is already installed 9 years ago.